It's a cracking day today and I'm back out on pest control. I'm on a different farm, but same reasons. We have ground nesting birds here, we have sheep and lambs in spring, and also these corvids are coming in the farm buildings, defecating everywhere and eating the farm proving, which is there behind me. So today again, I've got my 2-2 FX King. This is an FAC, and today I'm using a 15.89 grain pellet again, but today it's doing 28 foot-pound because I've just been testing it outside and it shoots at that speed and power so good. So that's it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go across this farmyard in another farm building. I'm shooting out an opening in a door into here, so it's all nice and safe. Anyway, I better get to it. Only one thing is, the farmers' cows are in there with me. So it's going to be interesting. So yeah, I'm on them. Yeah, there's always been something I've liked about shooting off round bales. I'm not sure what it is, to be fair. Must be the rubber or plastic. Anyway, I'm going to try these 80s now, see what they're like. I've just speeded this up here so not to bore you, but I'm quickly testing the 80s here, doing 808 feet per second. Yeah, that group there I've just shot, it's not zeroed yet, but it's at 40 yards, and it just shows how accurate these 80s are, so I'm going to zero it now. I should be right. Again here, speeded up. I'm just checking my zero to make sure it's absolutely spot on. Yeah, it's all nice and zeroed now. That second group actually wasn't as good as the first one, but never mind. So I'm all nice and zeroed, let's get to it. Quite good at all this shooting. Yeah, I've just got sat down now. It's actually a nice day now, it's just a bit windy. I think it's doing 15 mile per hour winds. I've got the cows behind me, got the king here, got some Primos Gen 3 trigger sticks. I've got to go steady else it could fall over. But yeah, it's all go. I'm probably shooting just over 30 yards, which is nothing to this rifle, you know. So anyway, let's get to it. I've been getting quite good results with these pellets. I don't believe they explode or really open up, but they do make a difference, you know, over a dome head set. So yeah, they've been pretty good to use. Can you hear a magpie? Just take the shot, it's like a clamp in front of it. I think it's a farmer's bale clamp. Nice one. He went down nice and clean, first magpie down. I had to wait for him just to get past the farm. I think it's a bale clamp or something, I can't just see it. Anyway, he's down. I think I might go and put this magpie out to the decoy and see if they work. Yeah, I've put that bird out. I've put it on the pile of proving, and if it doesn't work, I'll take it up. I'm still using as well, I think you know, the Element Helix scope, 5.0 Tacticam, I think you know by now. He went down. He did bounce a bit, as you could see, but this happens sometimes, you know, and that was quite a centre hit, to be fair. But anyway, he's probably bounced about 4 feet and dead just there, so another one down.
Yeah, this magpie hit pretty hard, and he looked like a fish on an hook. But anyway, he did go down, so that's all that matters.
I'm being brave balancing the king like this, but as long as I don't touch it, it should be okay.
Yeah, this magpie here, my FX king today is doing 28 foot-pound. So I don't want to really take any shots like this in case I put an hole in the farmer's roof. So this magpie got lucky.
I probably should have shot that then, but I do believe he'll come back, so where it begins. There's been 1 or 2 magpies flying about and they're not coming in. I think these decoys are actually putting them off today, so I'm going to go and move these decoys, I think. I've just picked up them decoys now because there are quite a few birds coming and not wanting to land, so we'll try it now without any. Got myself a girlfriend here, haven't I? It's about an hour and a half later now. And to be fair, it's gone quiet, but I'm going to give it just a bit longer. I hear a magpie. Another one down. He went down lovely. Yeah, they can't see me in this building because they're used to all the cows moving about, so any movement doesn't kind of alert them. I think I'm a cow, you see, so it's pretty good stealth. It's about half an hour later and I can hear another magpie. Can't see it, but I can hear it. Nice one. Another one down there. So yeah, so far so good. I mean, this range I'm shooting today, it's no challenge to this FX King, but it is pest control, you know. It's been a few hours now. I've not had a shot for quite a while, to be fair, so I'm going to pick these two magpies that I haven't yet picked, and I'll take it from there. But I might come back here yet because, you know, it's got potential. Soon there'll be rats on this pile of province, so yeah, I'll be back. I was just about to climb back outside here and I see a few feral pigeons, so I have one more shot. Yeah, so I've just picked up them birds now, 4 magpies and a feral pigeon. It's no monster bag, but anybody that knows about magpies will know that any magpie is better off out the way. So again, thanks for watching and I'll see you all soon. So yeah, I had to say goodbye to my new girlfriend. Maybe I should fetch Brutus round one day. Here, I was just debating whether to keep these two as decoys or not. And finally, I'm just showing off my football skills.